What a moment, guys. Woo! Oh. Easy, girl. Woo! What's going on, Mooch Lifers, and welcome back to the channel. We've got another food playlist video for you today. We picked up the Traeger IRONWOOD 885. We're gonna put it together today. If you haven't checked out my last video, I'm gonna link it right there. And we went to the Bearded Butchers in Creston, Ohio and picked up this unit. It's a cool video. You want to check it out and check out that shop. They got a lot of awesome meat and grilling products for you to enjoy. So let's get to it, put this grill together, and finally join Traeger Nation. Let's check out the box real quick here. First things first, we got the Traeger IRONWOOD 885 with digital IRONWOOD D2 controller Wi-Fi technology. Once we get this put together, we will go over some of the features. So let's get to it. Moment of truth. The first thing I noticed is it's packaged cool. It's got all kinds of different meat products and grilling grammar on the top here. And if you guys don't know what this pattern is here, I'll show you at the end of the video. It's a little secret if you join Traeger Nation that you get to enjoy. It's kind of a funny little thing they do. Start here. Okay, look at that. Start here. We get a little welcome package. You can pause that and read it if you want. An assembly guide. So we'll be checking that out. A little welcome flyer. Download the Traeger app. We got to do that. An owner's manual. And the thermometer probe is in there. And then our toolkit. Everything you need to put the unit together is right here. I believe these are like the side brackets. Like they bolt in between the legs, like they're like stability brackets. So there'll be like one on each side of the legs. Pretty cool. Now we will go ahead and score the front left corner with a utility knife, or if you have a pair of scissors. Oh baby, look at that. So if you guys haven't realized, we got a cool little pattern on the inside of the cardboard. So we'll put that together. Might as well just tell you now what it is if you don't know. But in the Traeger box, when you open your unit, you just fold that guy backwards and tape it together, and you got yourself a little Traeger cabin. Let's just kind of fold down. Take off the plastic. What a moment, guys. Woo! Should we open it up for the first time? We probably should. Oh, check it. All kinds of parts in there. So we'll need to go ahead and take all this stuff out. So there are some little zip straps holding things in, so during shipping and stuff it doesn't get joshed around. So go ahead and snip those off. One-handed action here, guys. So we got the rack, we got pail, a little tin in there. We've got our first box of accessories, and then it looks like there's some more stuff going on down here. So let's get it all taken apart, get it all spread out so you can see the whole entire assembly. So we got all the parts out of the grill. So there's the inside of the unit. It's an auger style unit, so you fill up your side box here with your pellets. We'll go over all the technology it offers, and the auger is in there, and it pushes the pellets to the middle there where it burns. Indirect heat, smoke fills the box and makes some delicious barbecue. So let's get all our parts and start assembling. You have to lay the unit on its back. So I went ahead and took a piece of the cardboard from the packaging to lay down on the ground. That way when you flip it over, it's on a nice clean surface. This is supposed to take 2 people because it's heavy. I'm a loner here on Mooch Life, so we're just gonna carefully do it ourselves. Just gonna give it a little. Easy, girl. The instructions say that it's helpful to prop the bottom part up in the air to help yourself get the legs on, so we're gonna do that. This. So here's all the hardware laid out on the workbench. Today's workbench is the Camaro. Each leg is numbered and colored, so you got leg 4 blue, leg 3 orange, and then on the base of the unit it is also labeled. So there's 4 blue. Obviously these will match. The big wheels, one side has big wheels and the other side has small wheels. The big wheels go underneath the smoke box, so that's an easy way to tell that. But the packaging here is immaculate. It's what I would expect for a grill of this price, that everything was packaged nice and pristine, and it was. Everything was snug as a bug in a rug. 2 of the long bolts with a couple washers on them. And then we are going to insert leg number 4. Line up the holes, line it up through the hole, and then on the back side here we start with a regular washer, and then we do a little crush washer, and then a nut. So then we'll take our wrench and our hex wrench. We'll tighten them down after we hand tightened them. And just tighten it on down. We'll do this for all 4 legs so they're nice and snug. We'll take our handy dandy orange Traeger screwdriver, 4 screws, and put our Traeger side out. And screw that in here. Look who it is, guys. Tootie's back on the vlog. Since Tootie's home, this part calls for 2 people. I was going to do it myself, but we're going to go ahead and do it the proper way so we don't damage the unit. But after the legs have been installed, a cool part of the process, it's time to flip it up, right side up for the first time, so we can really fully appreciate the awesomeness that is the Ironwood 885. Give it a 1, 2, 3. Woo! Check it out. She is upright. Alright guys, the next step in assembling the Ironwood 885, the side shelf. It's just 4 screws and 4 washers. Because this is a stainless shelf, it also comes with stainless hardware to match. 4 screws, 4 washers, focus, washer, focus. And these pre-threaded holes, they're actually perfect. The screws like tighten all the way to where they're supposed to, and then you can't over tighten them. They just kind of stop. So we got 3 hooks in the front, ready for action with the tongs, flippers. So one of our final steps here will be to screw on our stainless handle for the Traeger, which is really going to bring it all together. So let's get that done right now. The handle comes with these 2 little square brackets here, and they will go on the edge of the handle like so. Boom. And then 2 long black screws right here, about 1 inch. And they will go through the inside of the grill out. So let's check it out. We are handled up on the Traeger. It is together. We just got a few things on the inside, and then we can turn it on and get it seasoned for the first time. Put this baffle in. It's got a little notch right there. It helps guide you, and on the one side it has this like long piece that goes on the left side. You just kind of slide it in. Right in that notch there. And then everything sits in its little grooves there. One of the cross beams goes in between these two stainless notches. And that like goes over a little hump there. And that is it. It's time to elevate our craft here, guys. Time to smoke some stuff. Then we have the accessory shelf for the second rack. So we can put that in. And that just slides up top like so. There's little holes that can go back or front, wherever you want it. If you don't want it, you can actually take it out, and I'm told on the back, there's little tabs right here, and you can actually hang your accessory shelf. Some people will complain and argue that it's hard to put a lot of things on the main grate because this one actually gets in the way. So if you're not using both top and bottom to cook things, then you can take this out entirely and just hang it on the back real conveniently like. So that is it. She is together. The last thing to do is plug in our thermometer. So it comes with a temperature thermometer there that plugs in right here. And with this Wi-Fi technology, which we'll go over next video, we'll show you how you can check the temperature of your meat right on your cell phone. So that is it, guys. She is together. For this video, I think we're going to end it here. Next video, we're going to go over all the features, download the Wi-Fi app, and we will season this thing for the first time. And yeah, and then after that, it'll be time to cook some food right here on Mooch Life. I hope you enjoyed the install here. Hopefully that helps you if you purchase a Traeger grill. This one is the IRONWOOD 885. If you happen to get a different unit, I'm sure it's pretty similar. Can't wait to use this thing. I'm super excited to crank out some awesome smoked recipes. Going to share all that with you here on the channel on the food playlist. Don't forget, I do got the Camaro in the truck. We got different playlists on our channel. If you're here for that stuff, it is coming. Stay tuned. Otherwise, I'm Mooch. This is Mooch Life. Go check out Henry playing in the house here. And peace out. Hi, Henry.
Henry.
You want some treats?
Go see your house.
You want to get into your new house?
Oh
Come on.
God.
Go inside your new house.
Turtle, come.
Go inside there. Look at the good boy. Look at the good boy.
Look at him through the window.
Henry! Who's in the Traeger house? Henry's in the Traeger house. Is that the good boy?
He's so scared.
Give him a treat.
I put
No, in
7
there,
in there.
through the window. Give him a
Here,
treat through the
Bee,
window.
come here, Bee.
Good boy. Now go to the other window. There's a back window.
Handy pen. Handy pen. Turn around.
Henry! Welcome to Traeger Nation, Henry. He doesn't
Turtle.
like Traegers. He must be a big green egg fan. Good boy, Henry. Way to go. There you go. Say thanks for watching Mooch Life. Thanks for playing in my treehouse, my Traeger treehouse cabin grill cabin thing.
That is so cute.